Hello everyone, my name is Jeffrey Baskin and I am here to bring you the latest review for ForexMagnates.com. Today we are taking a look at the FX Pro X-Trader platform. This is FX Pro's brand new ECN platform. For those of you that don't know, ECN platforms are a little bit different than the run-of-the-mill MetaTrader platform that FX Pro offers. The ECN has a little bit more bells and whistles as far as trade execution. Let's take a look at this top quote panel here and we'll point out some of the differences that you have. First and foremost, one of the primary differences between an ECN platform and a regular retail platform usually is the spread. You will see a tighter spread with an ECN platform. There is more liquidity providers that are pumping in prices for these platforms, which will give you that tighter spread. The one thing that you do need to keep in mind a lot of times is there are commissions that are associated with these ECN platforms. In the case of FX Pro, it is $30 per million traded. So what you can also keep in mind is we have 5-digit pricing and we have a depth of market monitor here. So this will tell you exactly how much of a position they can fill at a specific price. So for example, as we're looking here, you'll be looking at 500,000 or 5 standard lots that'll be filled at this price, and then each subsequent price and the amount that they can fill thereafter. The ECN platform was designed for the larger trader. So for example, if you're looking to place 10 or 20 or 30 standard lot orders, this would give you partial fills. So you'd fill, 5 lots at this price, 10 lots at that price, etc., so that you could be filled. Whereas MetaTrader, if the order isn't filled all in one price, then it would be rejected. So this is one advantage to that. Let's take a look at some of the other features that you have here. They do have one-click pricing, one-click trading execution. So you can change the size of the trade that you're looking to make and then click the button. Here it looks like FX Pro's minimum trade size is 40K or 4 mini lots. So let's just go ahead and click that. And let's say we wanted to go long on the euro dollar. We're going to go ahead and click that button. It appears that they do have a warning to let you know that we are entering a single click trade. I would imagine this will go away after we agree to this and hit OK. So let's try this again. So one click and we're in the market. So that is definitely a good key thing for traders that are looking to trade the news. So you'll see that we have our order down here and we are in the market. Let's point out some of the other things that you see. You see a low of the day, a high of the day, and this little S represents the size of the spread. So for those of you that are looking for that tighter spread because maybe you're a scalper or a more active trader, you can see that before you get into the market. You can also place some of your buy limit, sell limit type pending orders with this platform. And the other features that they make available are this little info button. It'll show you the currency pair, tick size, minimum trade size, and the current swap. And as I said, partial fills are okay. Now let's take a look at the charting that we see here. This is actually one of the most visually impressive ECN platforms that I've seen so far. You don't see big boxes with prices flashing all over the place. You do have your price windows over here, and then a MetaTrader style charting package in the middle of the screen. They do have the standard groupings of indicators. You have your trend indicators, oscillators, volatility indicators, and another grouping of indicators. This looks like pretty much the regular list that you see in MetaTrader with a few nuances added in there. You can also do some one-click trading straight from the chart. So if we wanted to go long on another standard lot of euro, we hit the button Oh, oops, we don't have enough money. So let's take down the trade size here a little bit. Hit it again, and you can trade straight off the chart. So now you'll see that we are 80K or 8 mini lots long, and we're in the market. Standard set of tools to operate the charts. You can change the time frames. They do have some extra added time frames in here: 1, 2, 3-minute charts, 4-minute charts, which you don't see in MetaTrader, 10-minute charts, and a 12-hour chart as well. So definitely some nice charting features here. Very clean, very sleek looking. Now let's take a look at some of the other menu items that they have. Instead of one-click order, if you wanted to place an order from the order window, click up here, choose your symbols. They have 20 currency pairs. It's a pretty standard list. The only exotic that I do see is the US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. Everything else is pretty standard. You have your market order, limit order, stop order. Nothing out of the ordinary, but definitely a sufficient amount of order types that you would need for this platform. You have your single click versus double click versus, if you wanted to turn off, the ability to click an order. You have your sound, your default layout, your windowed mode, multi-chart versus single. So if you wanted to look at one chart at a time, you have the ability to scroll through your charts or pop out your charts. It's a very great, it's a good feature, especially for myself. I'm a charting enthusiast. I like that ability to look at the big chart and see what's going on. You also have crosshair tools, market snapshots. You can see, very similar to the data window in MetaTrader 4. You can see where your indicator levels are at if we had them on here, and your price, open, high, low, and close. Your standard set of line tools, price channel, Fibonacci retracement that you can throw on the chart, changing up the colors. That's another thing that I'd like to point out, the color options up here. And this thing is fully customizable, so you can really get it to the look and feel that you want to see on the platform. Overall, it's a great step for FX Pro, who has been making a lot of noise in the FX industry lately. Definitely trying to play with the big boys in the market, being your FXEMs and your Gain Capitals. They want to be bringing all of the services that these guys provide to market, and this is definitely a big step in the right direction for them. It makes them a little bit different just in the look and feel. The platform much more user friendly on the ECN side, so we should be able to see how it plays out and get some of the feedback on it. For those of you that are looking to take a look, go to fxpro.com and you can download a demo and play around with it yourself. Thank you very much for your time today. Any questions or comments, send them to Jeff at forexmagnates.com.